Hey guys, this is Can You Make It? We're back here in the beautiful Normandy.
It's city of Condé-sur-Noireau.
It's in the north of France and the weather is beautiful finally.
So the trick we're going to teach you today is the jitter. For this trick you don't need to know how to do nose wheelie.
You don't have to learn to do like a proper nose wheelie straight or just in circle.
The first thing you need to know for this trick is to do like maybe a nose 180, like a little nose 180.
Let's say it's like a 180, just focus on the front wheel. You have to lean forward a lot to make sure the back wheel is going to pass on the other side.
So basically, just you're rolling on your pedal, just want to put like the shoulder you're going to turn into in front, lean forward, and then like lift up the back wheel with your knee and feet, and then yeah, just like make the bike turn around.
Just one thing you have to remember, lean forward a little bit just to push it.
And maybe a little tip, put your hands like that a little bit. Instead of like this, you have more strength to push on the bike with your hand like that.
And if you have a brake on your bike, forget it, don't use the brake.
So once you understand like how to do the little like nose wheelie 180 and like basically land fakie, a G-turn is right in between a nose wheelie 180 and a nose wheelie 360. So you might as well try to learn like how to do like a nose press 360 or nose wheelie 360. So for that, basically, just like lean forward, but even more, and then like once the bike wants to like go fakie, just push on your bar and just like basically push really hard on the floor to like send yourself in the 360 position. So like lean forward, and once the bike goes like past here, just like push on the floor here to like jump again.
Use power, just go. Make sure at the beginning it's going to be 270, but the more strength you're going to use, the better you're going to go to the 360. All the way from Okay, move out with Timmy right now.
Once you understand how to do the nose wheelie 180 thing, and once you kind of figure out like how to do the nose press 360, you're ready to like try to do the G-turn. So basically the concept of the G-turn is to like ride backward on the front wheel.
It's a fakey nose wheelie.
It's a fakey nose wheelie, but with a start like that. So you can actually just go fakey and kind of try to lift up the back wheel. And kind of feel like the fakey nose wheelie.
But then this is really hard, because just doing a fakey nose wheelie, like a proper one straight, it's kind of hard.
And starting from G-turn I think is easier because you carve.
Yep.
And it's gonna send your body weight like forward, so it's easier. So basically, to do the G-turn, do the nose wheelie 180 thing, but instead of like putting down your back wheel when it passed you, just like use your feet, your pedal, to like lift it. Push on your arm, and the bike is gonna go from that position to that position.
And you have to feel it. It's really those kind of tricks you have to do it a lot to understand like the right position. You don't have to do it so long. Just make a clean one, like just like 2 or 3 meters, rolling fakie like this, and pull a clean both wheels at the same time. It's beautiful.
So basically, yeah, when you do the nose wheelie 180 thing, push on your arm, lift up your pedal, it's gonna go up like that, and you have to go to a point, like you have to go kind of steep to like push on the floor and use that nose wheelie 360 technique, push on the floor, and then to finish the rotation. At first, you don't have to do like a long G-turn.
No.
It just can be like, you can just feel the back wheel going like that and then push again. And then once you understand it a little bit, just like try to stay fakey nose wheelie, and right before you push, just try to get steep. It's gonna help to like
the balance point is really like almost when you fail. It's very steep. It's almost where you think you're gonna fail forward. This is where you can hold the faking.
The cool thing is like you can use it for straight. You can use it in so many flat combos, and I feel like
it's a fun trick to warm up too.
What more can we say? Use your shoulder. I think using your shoulder at first to like get the point, and also your knees to lift up the back wheel.
And also you can use your head to see where you're gonna go when you want to.
And it kind of gets dangerous when the bike goes like this. So just be ready to fall like over the bar. Don't like stay like this because dentist appointment coming. So now that you get the point of the G-turn, we're gonna show you some variations. Alright, that was Can You Make It episode 21.
Woo, we're back!
Hope you liked it, and yeah, we're gonna try to keep the episodes coming, so come back regularly. And
keep on riding. I know the level is getting higher. This is not an easy one, but I'm sure you have the skills to learn it. Just don't give up. You know how it works.
And put on the comments like the tricks you wanna learn next. That's interesting for us.
Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Keep on riding.